वेलकम टू ऑल ऑफ यू माय ऑनलाइन क्लास दरभंगा लाइव क्लासेस। दरभंगा लाइव क्लासेस में आप सभी का पुनः स्वागत है। आज मैं उपस्थित हूँ क्लास 10 से ट्रायंगल चैप्टर को लेकर के। आज इसमें हम जानेंगे ट्रायंगल चैप्टर से रिलेटेड जो इट्स वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थ्योरम इज देयर, दैट्स थेल्स थ्योरम। फ्रॉम दिस थ्योरम every year 4 or 5 marks question definitely comes. So today we will solve this very important theorem today, that's called Thales theorem also. So let's go to know what this theorem is saying and we have to prove it. Theorem saying the write and proved Thales theorem. We have to write. Sometime in question also comes like this, that sometime it will say, it will ask you that write the theorem, Thales theorem and proved it, or sometime it will come in this form. That is saying that if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, okay, to intersect the other two sides. So suppose that first of all we will draw a triangle here. I have supposed that drawn a triangle here. Suppose that let A, B, C is a triangle. I let it A, B, C is a triangle where it is saying if a line is drawn parallel to the one side. So if I will draw a line which is just here, just parallel to, you can say that, which name I'm going to write there now, DE. Okay, I've given the name of DE parallel to BC, which I have drawn here. And one side of the triangle to intersect the other two sides, which is D intersecting AB on D, and you can say that E intersect AC at E points, you can say. So we have to prove the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. So we have to prove that DE, you can say that divide AB and AC in the same ratio. That's we have to prove. Okay, so let's go to prove that, and we will do something in this. First of all, to prove whatever is given, that you will write there. Let ABC, let ABC is a triangle. Let ABC is a triangle. Okay, where DE parallel to BC drawn. Okay, DE parallel to BC drawn. So we have to prove. So we have to prove, what we have to prove, that AB and AC will bisect. It is saying that divide in the same ratio. So we have to prove that AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. This we have to prove. So let's go to prove that, and to prove before we have to do some constructions. So first of all, you will do one thing, that is we will do some construction. You will do that construction. What you will do? We will do first of all one thing, that is we will draw DM parallel perpendicular AC on AC, and you can say that EN perpendicular AB. We will draw there. DE perpendicular AC and EN perpendicular AB draw. Okay, the first of all we will draw here now perpendicular. So suppose that EN is there and here is, from there you can say that DM is there. So this is perpendicular, definitely it will be 90-degree formation will be there, which I have done it. And join BE and DC. I will join this BE and DC also. Suppose that I have joined this. So let's go to solve now what this question is saying all about. So to prove, you will write there, to prove. Okay, now let's go to do that. So you can see now, to prove that area of triangle ADE. Now you write there, area of triangle ADE will be what? 1 by 2 into base into height. So what will be the base for that? AD. And perpendicular will be EM. Let it be equation 1. Okay. Again, area of triangle, now BDE. Area of triangle BDE will be what? 1 by 2 into BD into EM. It's equation 2. Now we can let it, because of these two are, we have got it, so we can write therefore area of triangle ADE by area of triangle BDE. If I'll put this in this way, then what will be there? 1 by 2 into AD into EN by 1 by 2 into BD into EN. Similarly, so here we 1 by 2, 1 by 2, EN. So what is left now? We have got there AD by DB. It's going to be, put this equation 3. I can write in this way, AD. Okay. Now again will be, again if I'll find out here, again in triangle AD, again, or similarly you can say again area of triangle ADE. What will be area of triangle ADE? This time I can take AE as a base. So what will be there? 1 by 2 AE into, and perpendicular over there it will be DM. So we'll write there DM. It will be equation 4. And area of triangle, you can say DEC. DEC is equal to 1 by 2 into EC into DM. It will be equation 5. So similarly, as we have done it before, we will write there, therefore, area of triangle ADE by area of triangle DEC is equal to what? 1 by 2 into AE into DM by 1 by 2 into EC into DM. Okay, so here you can see 1 by 2 cancel, DM cancel. So what is left now? AE by EC. It will be equation 6. I took this equation 6. Now what you will see here, note one thing you can see here now. This triangle, these two triangles which you can see now, triangle BDE, BD, you can say that BDE and triangle DEC, both are made on the same line, DE. Okay, you can say there now you can say, note, triangle BDE and triangle DEC are made on the same line, on the same line DE, on the same line DE, and same line DE, and between parallel lines, and between parallel line, and between it is going to make parallel line DE parallel to BC. So what will happen? Area of triangle, what happened? BDE will equal to area of triangle DEC. So if suppose that area of triangle BDE is equal to DEC, in this case what happened? Put this value in the put this value in equation. So put this value in equation 3 and 6, which you can see now. So equation 3 is saying that area of triangle ADE by area of triangle BDE, that's given AD by DB. Okay, this is equation 3, and area of triangle ADE by area of triangle DEC, that's given AE by EC. So what you can see this now, we have got this one, that BDE, the area of BDE, you can write there, since area of triangle BDE is equal to area of triangle DEC, which we have got. So put this value in this, you will put, then what will happen? You can see now, in this way you can write area of triangle ADE by area of triangle BDE, okay, will equal to definitely area of triangle ADE by, in place of DEC, can I write BDE? area of triangle BDE. Means both equation will be equal. So we can write there now. So AD by DB, what will happen? AD by DB. We can write there now AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. We have proved it. That's we got proved, right? So this we have to prove, because of you can say that AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. So we can write yes, DE, you can say so DE, what happened? Divided DE divided AB and AC in the same ratio, which we have proved. This is the Thales theorem. Related to this theorem, we will solve so many questions. Okay, thank you. If you like this video, please share, subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day.